November 17th. I'm sitting out here. I'm sitting out here on a main trail that goes right through the middle of a field. And it's a pretty cool setup. Because I've seen a lot of deer sitting right here now. But the other day, yesterday, I had a buck. He came in right at the end of day. It was so dark I could barely see. But he came walking down all the way from the top of the hill. And he was following does. And I thought he was going to split off and go back behind me. But he got within 45 yards of me. But like I said, it was so dark, I could barely see my pins on my bow. So hopefully this afternoon, he'll make the same mistake. I know when I was walking in, I jumped a doe and a pretty good sized buck. But we'll see. Hopefully it pays off. Being persistent and consistent with doing the same thing over and over and over. But stay tuned. I'll be back.
All right, so as you can see, I missed that buck pretty good. He was about 52 yards away. I should not have been shooting that far away, mainly because I'm inexperienced. But I really wanted to take a shot at that deer because I have been chasing him and chasing him all over this property. But as you can see, he won the battle there. But in this next little clip here in the video, I got a doe come in. She was 15 yards, I think, when I shot her. So you get to watch me fill the freezer, which is what it's all about. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.